Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is ModiMakes, and today we're gonna be working on part one of a three-part series on the channel because I'm gonna be working on my very first triptych. Now, this triptych is gonna be a series of three characters, each representing a specific stage in this cycle that I know I've experienced a few times in my life, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to in their lives as well, where you are searching for something to bring you a certain sense of satisfaction or love or a certain sense of bliss, and then you find that thing and you have your moment of bliss and your moment of happiness, and then you inevitably lose that thing and go through a sort of drop. Now, this can be related to things like relationships. If you're searching for someone in your life and you find someone that you really like and then it inevitably falls apart later on, or it can be things like for artists, it happens a lot in terms of like finding something that you think is going to be a really great style or something that you think is going to put you on the map, and then inevitably having that sort of thing be seen as something else and you having to abandon it later on, or just any sort of number of things in life that can relate to. That's why the triptych has a three-word name relating to each of the three characters: find, feel, and fall. And this first canvas that we're working on right now is find, and it's that idea of searching for that thing to bring you that sense of bliss or that sense of love or of satisfaction, really. And that's why I use the yellow circle on this one in the blue background to give the idea of like a spotlight or a searchlight trying to find that, trying to find that thing for you, whatever it may be. And for each subsequent canvas, I'm going to be using a different colored circle within the blue background. I'm going to maintain that blue background for the entire time, but using a different colored circle to represent the different emotions for each different stage along that quest. So let's get into it, shall we? Well, there you have it, my people. Part 1 of Fine Feel Fall is complete, and you know, I'm super happy with how this one turned out. I really like the colors, I really like the character design. He's got this determined look about him, but he's got the beads of sweat coming off of his brow, and it just has that perfect feeling that I was going for of loosening on the inside, but composure and confidence on the outside, and that's exactly what I wanted it to evoke. But let me know what you guys thought of the piece down in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions about this video or any other videos that I've done before. I will be looking through them as always and responding to each and every single one of them. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the #1 thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you did. It means the world to me. And with that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.